Hola muchachos y muchachas. I don't know why I do that, but I love it. Thanks for checking out Scotty's Hobbies. Today I'm going to tell you a little story about a Chevy Equinox, a 2017 Chevy Equinox actually. This will be a 4-cylinder, 2.4 liter I believe. My niece had a code P0010 and a P0011. I looked it up. I thought the intake cam sensor was going to be the issue, so I just slapped one on there one night for her pretty late. She had to get to work the next day, and I was just trying to help her out. So I went and picked up the cam sensor and the cam VVT Solenoid. I got them both just in case, because these are pretty common codes on a lot of vehicles these days with the VVT solenoids, that is. So what I did is replace that cam sensor. That wasn't the issue. And I'm like, what in the world is going on? Is it really going to be that solenoid? I thought it was going to be much harder to replace the solenoid. And this is just a quick video to let you know what happened. I ended up disconnecting the solenoid and going out and test driving it with the intake solenoid disconnected. And I had the same exact drivability issues as I was with it connected. So to me, that made me think that was going to be the problem. I slapped a new VVT solenoid on this vehicle, turned it back on, and hey, what do you know? It was fixed. So P0010, P0011, the actual fix was the intake solenoid on the VVT, so intake VVT solenoid, that is, needed to be replaced. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share. I will be having another video coming out real soon of the actual repair, how I did it. It was a real quick fix, but make sure you like, subscribe, and share, and that video will be coming out real quick of replacing the actual solenoid. Gigi is my cameraman on that one. She helped me out because I didn't have time to set up the cameras, the lights, and everything. So she helped me out. It was a late night fix. It ended up being the fix. That was about 4 days ago now. She's driving the vehicle every day, and just letting you guys know, if you're in a hurry, that's what it is, hopefully. Stay tuned, like, subscribe, and share. I'll see you guys on the next hopefully helpful video.